It's very easy to create your keyboarding account. Go into your Keyboarding Pro Deluxe that you've installed on your desktop, a little Einstein looking guy. The Keyboarding Pro Deluxe banners come up and you can click on those and make them go away quickly. Now we're going to be a new user one time and one time only. Now put your USB drive into your computer if that's where you're going to hold your data and click on New User. Here we're going to type in our information and be sure to capitalize correctly just in case you want to create a completion certificate at the end. Now where it says no class assigned, we're going to leave that blank for a moment. Now for your class code, you need to make sure you get the right class code. So in the creating your keyboarding account, you're going to scroll down just slightly and there's the class ID. And you need to type it in exactly. Well, I'm going to copy and paste it. So I highlighted it, hit Control C to copy, and I'm going to come back here and paste it in with Control V. Now your password, I think, only has to be 5 characters long, but we put in a password and it's going to stay on your USB drive. So it's not out on the internet where anybody else is going to get it. So it doesn't have to be a really hard password. Now the select a question for your security question is important because if you forget your password, the security question is going to give you your password back. And then you need to put in an email address. And it doesn't matter which email address you use because I don't think they ever send you anything. Okay, verify that things are right. First name, last name, some username, and you're never going to have to use your new username again. Make sure the class code is exactly what your instructor gave you. Password, your security question, email address. Now this is really important. If you are going to save your data on your USB drive, you're going to have to click this little folder down here and drag it down till you find your USB drive. And then click select. Now this is important because if you don't tell it to go to your USB drive, it's going to just stay on the computer that you're using by default. And if you're at school, you don't want that to happen. You want to put it on your USB drive. If you're going to use your home computer all the time and no other computer, then you don't have to change this data location. So again, make sure that everything's correct, including where you're going to save your information. Make sure you're on the internet because this is an internet class. You need to be on the internet in order to start to set up this account. So we click OK. Oh, and mine said a duplicate student's already there. So it says, please change your username. So I'm going to try and change my username. Let's try that one. And then it says, okay, I've given you a student account, and all I'm doing is holding down the left mouse button and dragging over that. And then I'm going to do Control C to copy. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to paste it in my document somewhere, just so I know that I have it. I really don't think that you use it that often, but it's nice to have it in case you need it. So we click OK. It said that you created your account. And then we're in here. It says, welcome to Keyboarding Pro Deluxe. Before beginning the lessons, please complete the skill analysis timed writing. The results will allow you to give you a baseline of where you're at. That's how you create your account.